video we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark details, amenities of the hotel, and the category and facilities also. And you can see our best link for the invitation. Some landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, it's required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is super of interest. You have to enjoy the surroundings.